Okay, g'day everyone. Well, let's get into the unboxing of the new Mavic Air. This is the combo kit, so it has a few extras inside. It's got a label on top which tells me the colour. In this case it's Arctic White. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so first things first, nicely boxed and labelled DJI container with the Mavic itself inside. There's one battery fitted to the aircraft already. There's another zipper on this side. Spare propellers. Joystick handles. A USB-C connector. Some various connectors, USB-C and mini USB connectors for the remote control, and what looks like an adapter to convert your batteries into a battery bank for USB charging your phone. Okay, in the bottom of the bag there's 2 more batteries. Let's see if they come with any charge in them. Okay, no charge in that one. No charge in that one. And absolutely dead flat on the aircraft as well. Okay, this is it's like a charging hub, but not sure how that opens yet. Oh, here we go. So a charging hub for 4 batteries. Lead with the wrong connector on it for this country as usual. And a power supply. And there's the remote controller itself. And as I said, the sticks are in a separate packet here, which makes it very small to pack up. I believe there's, yeah, so there, those ones in the packet are spare sticks because the actual sticks are sitting right here. Now they actually presumably screw on, sure enough. Just like that. Notice on this one the LCD screen is no longer there, as you see on the normal Mavic remote control. Okay, so that's all that's in the bag, but then as we saw earlier, there's this strange little side compartment for the Mavic itself. Oh, it actually also comes with propeller guards, which is a surprise. And of course all the literature. And finally, nothing but filler in the bottom of there. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the bird. Okay, like the Mavic, 2 of them swing out, 2 of them swing down, and the legs on the Mavic Air pivot down. So the camera protector is right here, 2 plastic spring-loaded catches, pull down and just pivot off forwards. That's a 3-axis gimbal, which is significantly better than the small DJI Spark, which only has a 2-axis gimbal, and we've got forward-looking cameras for collision avoidance on the front. We have down-looking sensors for sensing altitude and landing area, and also on the back this time we also have rear-facing sensors for collision avoidance when you're flying backwards. Okay, so battery removal, you saw that was fairly easy. I'll just slide these two catches back and you can see there's a red indicator to let you know if it's not clipped on properly, and when it's locked in you should not be able to see red. So put get the battery in first, click it down, make sure you can't see red, that's good. Very good, so that's the unboxing of the Mavic Air. Thanks.